How to use Roblox Multi Account extension. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll provide a detailed demonstration on how to effectively utilize the Roblox Multi Account extension. This process is extremely straightforward and efficient, so make sure to pay close attention. The only requirement is a web browser that has the capability to access the extension. I highly suggest using either the Opera ZX or the Chrome due to their excellent compatibility with extensions. To begin, sign in to your preferred Roblox account on the official Roblox website. Next, simply search for Roblox Multi Account extension on Google. Click on the initial link that appears to be directed to the Chrome web store where you can easily download the extension. Proceed to install it on either Opera ZX or Chrome. Once the installation is completed, launch the extension to effortlessly log into multiple accounts simultaneously. You have the ability to efficiently manage the accounts, log out when necessary, and customize settings as required. Choose the specific account you wish to utilize with the extension, and I trust that this tutorial has been informative and beneficial to you. If you have found this information to be valuable, do show your support by liking and subscribing for additional tips and tricks. Thank you for sincerely taking time to watch. See you in the next one.